Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Gamepad and putting it into pairing mode so your phone can see it. Hold the dedicated pairing button or the power plus specific button combination until the LED blinks. This signals discoverable mode. On your phone, open Settings Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Once done, keep the phone on the Bluetooth list screen. Make sure to stay within 1 to 2 meters to maintain signal strength and reduce dropouts while the device appears. You now choose the visible Gamepad name on your phone and tap to pair, because that establishes the secure connection. If a PIN or confirmation appears, accept it. Common PINs are 0000 or 1234, but most use a simple confirm. Once paired, open the game or the Controller Companion app to check input mapping. Make sure analog sticks and buttons respond. If the app offers firmware updates, install them to improve compatibility, and you finish by testing the controller in a simple game or a controller test utility to verify all inputs work. This confirms both connection and mapping. If you detect lag, dropouts, or mismapped buttons, disconnect and reconnect or toggle phone Bluetooth to refresh the pairing. Make sure no power-saving mode is limiting Bluetooth. Quick troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, reboot the phone, reset the controller to factory pairing, then pair again. This clears stale profiles and often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.